while those in power try to pick the best course to take, we've already seen businesses rushing to adapt.
Yes, the challenge of this pandemic has also inspired new inventions and adaptations. The Nine's innovation correspondent, Laura Goodwin, has been looking at how technology is helping firms to get back on their feet.
When working with machinery like this is part of the day job, safety has to be on point, even in the training yard. QTS are a railway engineering company. They kept working throughout the pandemic, but protecting staff from coronavirus has meant they've had to review their safety measures.
The guys who are working on site, sometimes when you're working away, it's very easy to forget about the 2 metre rule, and we're just trying to help them with that. We've tried things. We've had a COVID marshal, and that's someone whose sole job is just to stand, watch people and make sure they're keeping distant. So this is kind of taking the human element out of it, and it's actually making people a physical reminder.
Now they've bought wearable devices for staff which monitor their proximity to each other using Bluetooth technology.
So this is how it works. I have a wearable device and so does my colleague over there. So at the moment we are considered a safe distance. So let's see what happens as I move too close. It's making a noise and it's vibrating. So that is my warning that I have come too close to my work colleague.
It is something that slips out of your mind quite readily, again if you notice the supermarket behaviour, so it keeps it forefront in people's minds. But I think what's really important for the employer is we're gathering data that they can then use to highlight the sort of people that are exhibiting the wrong behaviours or the times of the day, which might then mean the working practices, and they can then work at making their workspace a safer environment for their employees.
These mobile robots are primarily used for security surveillance, but in the wake of coronavirus, their technology is being used in varied ways. With acres of polytunnels and fewer staff than usual, this farm in Scotland is trialling their equipment to monitor fruit ripeness.
We are fitting cameras onto their existing tractors and stuff, and able to capture the data as the tractor drives up and does its normal day-to-day activities, so that we can use that to help forecast the yields and stuff, just because we've got now a huge array of really high-resolution pictures of all the crops. Because we can track the strawberries and how they've progressed, you can better forecast when to put the people out there.
Coronavirus has challenged every element of our health service, but is also prompting novel solutions.
Ready for takeoff.
Trials are already underway to use drones to deliver medical supplies to hospitals in Scotland.